All these words, a secret verse, pen to page, pen to range, and I won't let you in. You can't tell what I'm thinking. I make you laugh. Disenchanted world, you adored me. Bitterness, the slow charm, I adored me. I make you smile. Words, secret verse, pen to page, pen to rage, and I won't let you in. I make you laugh. In this room of mirrors, I am alone, and how beautiful it could be. Someone else. How beautiful. How beautiful. I make you smile. Thank you very much. Okay, this next song is called Last to Know. Thank you. Okay, so the reason why I use a laptop for some of the tracks is the album that I worked on for this was with a lot of collaborators from all over the world, so they obviously all can't be here at the same time, but I think it's lovely to have the music behind me as well. So this next track is called Remedy. mountains part. Noise accompanies picture, and eyes widen. The world green and yellow waters. I'm not there. I am the storyteller. Giant whale as tall as mountains. It was all real. It was all real. When the fireworks are over, I forget the boxes of stars, like I forget the names paraded quickly before me. And out through the swing doors, the world continues in glaring technicolor. The world green and yellow waters. I'm not there. I am the storyteller. Giant whales, tall as mountains. It was all real. It was all real. Thank you. It's ukulele time. Okay, this is my ukulele. His name is Neil. You must always name your instruments. This next track is called Between Destinations. As the doors close, my eyes meet yours, but you don't see me. No, you don't see me. So I take a seat and pull off my coat. The journey begins. Is it only me that wonders through the window just how magical this world can be? Is it only me that wonders through the window just how magical the world is? With headphones on, two journeys in one. Can you see the clouds? Can you see? Is it only me just how magical this world can be. Is it only me that wanders through the window? Just how magical the world is. Thank you. Okay. Okay, well, all these songs are from my debut album, which, funnily enough, I have some with me. If you feel so inclined, see me afterwards, get a copy. There's also some, if you've seen a few leaflets around, I'm going on tour in September, and there's a few dates in the area. Okay, and this track is called Houses. Listening to distant sea, this temporary shelter held down by a chain calls out my name when the wind is high. From the moment we arrive, the thought of home is on my mind. And I know this is what I need. pockets full of souvenirs. The air is clear and the sun on my skin. Moorland birds fly and the trees breathe a sigh. All my worries are left behind. From the moment we arrive, the thought of home is on my mind. Those city streets with houses lined. And I know this is what I need. But these walls are not made of stone. Pack up the clothes, the sheets and pillows. Pull the curtains and lock the door. There's sand in our shoes, the sea in our hearts. It's time to leave and go back to the start. From the moment we arrive, the thought of home is on my mind. Those city streets with houses lined. And I know this is what I need. But these walls are not made of stone. No, these walls are not made of stone. Thank you. Right. Okay. This next track is in French. My best friend's French, and it's her birthday today, so happy birthday. It's called Bientôt à moi, which means soon to be mine. Thank you. Okay, this next track, as I explained before, the album was done with a lot of collaborators, and this next track features some vocals from a friend of mine called Sawa Azar, who's in London and is not here, so it's via the magic of my laptop, her voice will come out. And it's called Paper Chains. Past the church, past the river, up to the hill, in the house, through the hallway, there was fire. She was waiting, and reached out her hand, and she said, I dream of freedom, but I feel incomplete. I dream of flying with the wind floating beneath my wings. So I ran from the house, I ran to the river, back up the hill, back up the hill. There was fire, there was fire, there was fire. What could I do? What could I do? And I remembered what she said. I dream of freedom, but I feel incomplete. I dream of flying with the wind floating beneath my Thank you. Thanks. more tracks for you. This next one is a folk song about witches, and it's called The Cunning Folk. Sister, have you seen the sky is dark where the sun should have been, and they'll be coming for us. Yes, they'll be coming for us. Get ready, it's time. This would happen when the stars aligned, and there'll be trouble ahead. Yes, there'll be trouble ahead. And I know we're both afraid, but we've got to go through with the plans that we've made. The circle is drawn, the moon is full, and the spirit's free, waiting on. Go on towards the light. Make sure you're shining bright, 'cause I worry that they'll take it all away. Go on towards the light. Make sure you're shining bright, 'cause I worry that they'll take it all away from you. Here we are at last. A life of struggle has come to pass, and there's magic in our eyes. And there's magic in your eyes. And I know we're both afraid, but we've got to go through with plans that we've made. The circle is drawn, and the moon is full, and the spirit's free, waiting on. Go on towards the light. Make sure you're shining bright, 'cause I worry that they'll take it all away from you. Go on towards the light. Make sure you're shining bright, 'cause I worry that they'll take it all away from you. Don't leave without me. We're in this together. I won't leave without you. We're in this together. And I know we're both afraid, but we've got to go through with the plans that we've made. The circle is drawn, and the moon is full, and the spirit's free, waiting on. sure you're shining bright, 'cause I worry that they'll take it all away from you. Thank you. Okay, 2 more tracks for you. Thanks for sticking around. Okay, and this is called All That Patience Brings. Is this all that patience brings? Longing for my distant dreams. Desires lost with passing time. Nothing left that once was mine. So quiet in the morning, as the dawn begins to sing, I will still be waiting for all that patience brings. Could it be a demon that reaches out for me? My heart is like the ocean, like the blackest sea. So quiet in the morning, as the dawn begins to sing, I will still be waiting for all that patience brings. So quiet in the morning, as the dawn begins to sing, I will still be waiting for all that patience brings. Thank you very much. Thank you. Neil, the ukulele, is back. And this is going to be my last track. Thank you very, very much for listening. It's been really lovely to play here, and the sound is just great. And this is called A Channeling. And thanks again. And I'm Lawrence made me cry, just in case. of all you have. Don't lose sight of all you have. Oh, my love, I'll wait for you here. Oh, my love, I'll wait for you here. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening.